Okay, so recording is started now. So let's start the. So we already yesterday discussed about the basic things of the VBA. What is VBA? And we record the macro, and we we complete our repetitive task, and give some format, create a table, some kind of numerical calculations that we have did yesterday, right? And we discuss about how to develop a tab in a Excel so that we can record the macro. So we have completed in the first module. Now move for the second module. So now I am going to discuss about VBE. It's a Visual Basic Editor. Okay, so it's the Visual Basic Editor is a programming environment in a Microsoft Office application like Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, Outlook, where you write, edit, and run the VBA, that is Visual Basic for Application code. Whatever the code we are generated or created, we write all the codes in a Visual Basic Editor. And so how to access Visual Basic Editor? Just see, open a Excel or Word or a PowerPoint or anything, whatever the product of Microsoft, just open it, and then shortcut key is Alt F11. So it will automatically start the Visual Basic Editor. Otherwise we can open it manually also. So I'm going to show you how we can do that. So go to the developer tab and click Visual Basic button. It's already given here. So let me make this bigger here. Go to the developer tab. Once you go to the developer tab, click on the Visual Basic Editor. So this window will appear. This user. Okay. So now just go. Let me show you in practically how we can do that. So let me. Okay. So this is our Excel sheet where we are learning VBA. So just open this Excel sheet, and this is a not a simple Excel. It is a macro enable Excel. Got it? Yes. So now we already discussed about these things yesterday. Then this thing yesterday. I added this today. Not today, but something. Explain some more topic. Okay. So this is an Excel page, and now I am going to move on a this blank page. This is a blank page. Fine. Now, so we have two way to open a Visual Basic Editor. How? Can you tell me the shortcuts key? Yes, correct. So I'm going to click Alt F11. See this. Okay. So this is a Visual Basic Editor. Okay. And these are our seats. Uh, these are our seats. So name of the first seat is Superstore Data. Just check it. Is it correct? Superstore Data. And second seat is Sales and Cost Table, and third seat is a VBA. Sales and Cost Table. So sales and cost table, and then VBA, like this. Okay, so this is a Visual Basic Editor. So this is a shortcut key we can use and open the Visual Basic Editor. But how we can do this manually? Can you tell me? Fine. Here, Visual Basic. This one. Yeah, just click on this. So we directly come into the VBE, that is Visual Basic Editor. Now we can write any code here, and that code will run for us, and complete our task. Whatever the task we want to complete by using this code, it will run. So just click on double click on this. See, it's a blank. This is I just write a code, a simple code here. Okay. After that, second, this is also blank. This is also blank. So this is basically a Visual Basic Editor. Whatever the code we can write, so it will work. So let me show you some simple code. This is a simple code. So programming in Excel start with like this. So let me go to the blank page here, this way. Uh, this way. This is the sub. This should be start with the sub. Okay, so start with the sub, and the last one is a int sub. So we can start with a sub and int sub, and between this we have to write a code. Fine. So this is the way we can write a programming language in a Visual Basic editor. Okay. So let me show you some simple example like MSGBOX. So it's reflect a message box, pop up a message box, and whatever message you want to write, just tell me what do you want. Shall I write hello, no Miss MS Nusrat, no, and OS NUSHR. Uh, Nusrat. Hello, Miss Nusrat. We are learning VBA macro. Okay, so we created a simple program. This is a very small program, and once we run this program, it will reflect a message box, and in message box, this message will reflecting only this part. Hello, Miss Nusrat, we are learning VB. How we can do that? Just see this here. See this. A message box is coming here. Hello, Miss Nusrat, we are learning a message box. Just click OK. It will disappear. Fine. So this, yeah. Think, hmm. Whatever the seat active, it's displayed. Yes. Just see. Just see. Here, this is the active seat. If I active this seat or the first seat, see this. Just run the program. This perfect. So click and OK. It will disappear. So this is a basic things what I am going to explain you. So now you understand about the VBE. You understand about how to start to write a program. We start with the sub, and we have to end with end sub, and between we have to write a code. So whenever you want to write something to, so as a message box, we have to write like code like this. Sub, give some name to the our program, and then end with sub, and start with a message box and give two double inverted comma, and whatever the things we write under this double inverted comma, it will reflect as a message like this way, or you can cancel this. So okay, fine. So this is a Visual Basic editor, and you know the shortcuts key, the developer, and the manual way. We can start it now. Move on the topic. After that, key component of a Visual Basic editor. There is so many things in a Visual Basic editor, so we have to discuss that things. So first thing is a project explore, and its shortcut is Control R. Whenever we press Control R, this project explore will be active. So let me show you what is project explore. This area is called the project explore. This area. All right. So under this, we have a Microsoft object, and then module, these things, and then workbook. These are available here. This kind of a hierarchy of these things are here. Under the Microsoft Excel object, the sheets are there. There is so many sheets: sheet one, sheet two, sheet three. As much as we create a sheet, it's so here itself. After that, there is a let's suppose we create a user form. So these are the next topic. So we can discuss it later. So whenever we create a user form to make a data entry or something, whatever the things we want. So it's so in the project explore, then module. So in last class, okay. So this is called the VBA project. Yes, yes. So whenever I want to switch, seats, we can switch it like this way, this way. Yeah. So we yeah. So we didn't write any program under the first seat. We didn't write. We write some a program in the second seat. In VBA, we created a one program by ourselves right now. This program, right? And fourth seat it's blank. So like this. like this. So let's move further then, further things. Okay, so the project exploring. Yes. So the project Explore in a VBA is a window within the Visual Basic Editor that provide a hierarchical view of all Open VBA projects and their components. So shows all Open Workbook document and their VBA components like module, user form, sheets, etc. We can see in the project Explore. Let you navigate and organize your code. Okay, fine. So, okay, this is all the things we see in a VBE. Whenever we open a VBE, so we get a VBA project explore. After that, this part is called the properties window. This part is called the properties window. Whatever the properties we want to change or add, we can do here. Fine. After that, this part is called the code window. Here we write any code here. Yes, yes. So project explore, then properties window, and then the code window. These three parts are the main parts. Fine. After that, there is some more things like immediate window, local window, watch window. These are not much important, but it's also necessary. We will see sometime. Okay, fine. Okay, so how we can open this window like this? Go to the project explore, go to the view, after view, here all the three options are available. Immediate window, and its shortcut is Control G. So click on this. Here, immediate window is open. Again, go to the view and then local window. Here, local window is appear. After that, view and then watch window. Here, all the windows are appear here. Just make like this. So these are the main components and part of our VBE. Code window, VBA project explore, then this is called properties window, immediate window, local window, and the watch window. Fine, fine. Okay. So these things are already we discussed. Immediate window, code window, properties window, menu bar and the toolbar. See this. When these things. This is called the title bar, the first heading. Fine. After that, this part is called the menus. These are the menus and the toolbar. These are tools we use here. Tools. These tools. These are the tools. Fine. That's it. So these are the basic parts of VBE. After that, we already run this program that we start with the sub and end with the sub, and between that we have to add some message like this. So if I put again the second message box, it will reflect like this. So let me copy this code and then show you how it's look like. And let me show you. In first it I'm going to write this program. Okay. So hello world. Let me change the name of this program. Just example one underscore one. I think it will accept it. Fine. Just run this program. No problem. No, it's not important. Space is okay, fine. Not at all. Example hello hello hello. Fine. This is fine. Okay. This is not required. So let me close this. Okay. After that, just this. Yes. Hello, Amit. Welcome to VBA. Okay. This is the first line. Hello, Amit. Welcome. Oh, okay. Sorry. This is hello, Amit. Welcome to VBA. When I click on this, the second message, I am learning VBA. Okay. So both the message reflecting on your message box First, hello Amit, welcome to VBA. And second message, I am learning VBA. So run again. Okay, I'm sorry. Which message? Yeah, yeah. Hmm. Inside. Well, this. No, no, it's not the issue. Okay. So, not like that. Not like that. Okay. No, that is not the matter. Okay, no problem. But it's not necessary. No, no need to select and because this is a another this way we control the program in another software that is SQL. Not in this. Okay, no problem. Just I want to show you how the program is running. So how we can show the message. After that, let's move for another topic that is understanding of understanding of modules and a procedure. Okay, so a module is like a container or a file inside the VBA project where you can write your macro. That is called procedure. So there is two things. One is module and another thing is procedure. So we consider module as a let's suppose a container under a container and under container we put something. So when you record a macro, Excel usually save it in a module. Okay. So module can hold procedure, sub and a functions. Think of module like a notebook. Let's suppose we compare module as a notebook. We have a notebook that is called module. Just compare this module as a notebook, then we can understand. And under notebook there is so many pages, no? So that pages is considered as a procedure. So a module is considered as a notebook, and procedure is considered as a page under that. This way, let me show you. Okay. So whenever we go to the project explore, we get pages, sheets, all the sheets, and then modules. Here, see this module one, module two, module three, module four. So how it's created? So yesterday we record a macro. Hope you remember. So whenever we record a macro, it's recorded into the module. So if I double click on this, see this code. This is the code. This is the code which is running behind this for the first sheet. Whenever we run the first sheet, yeah. Just hold on. Delete this data. Okay. So when we have recorded this macro, and I forget the name of this. That is total. I think total amount. Total amount. Just run this. Yes, it's calculated the total amount and a graph and a graph and a graph. Let me run again. Total amount. Some reason the graph is disappear. Okay, but so basic idea is so we record macro for this sheet, and this sheet is the code behind this all this macro, whatever the task is performing, is stored in a module one. See this. So we record a macro. So due to this program, this task is completing the calculation of the total amount, formation of a graph. This is the code behind that. So no need to write manual code. Just if you are recording the macro will automatically write program for us. Yes, it's automatically write for us this way. So there is two way to write a program. One, we can just record whatever the things we need. Just start recording and perform that task, and then stop the recording and save it. So it will automatically create a program for us. Otherwise, we can write a manual program. Like we have uh, this is a manual way we write a program by ourselves. Fine. Okay, so whenever we record a macro, it will save into the module. Now I think you understand what is the module. Okay, so module 1 for the first page, this is the program. So for second page, we have another task we are performing like this things. Let me delete these things. And, and then I think we have to delete this and like this. Okay, now I'm going to run the code for this. Go to the and profit and sales. Fine. Okay, just run this code. See, so we completed all the these things by recording the macro. And what is the code behind this macro? Just go to the module. This is a page 2 and this is the module 2. Click on this. So this is the code running behind this whatever the activity we perform here. So this is the code for that. Okay. Let's save in the module 2. Similarly for module 3, I have created for module 3 like this task. Okay, into the I think yeah this task, addition, subtraction, multiplication. So if I delete this like this, okay, and when I run this code, um, add, subtract, and multiply. Just run this. It will do the addition, subtraction, and multiplication between sales and cost. This and our code is this. This is our code. Yeah, this is the our code. Here, see. Yes, yes. Hmm. Yeah. So this is, I think, after that, let me show you something more. Okay, so you understand about the model and the procedure. So type of model, there is a standard model. So this is called the standard model. Whatever the data is stored, these are called, yeah. These whenever we just simply record a macro, and this macro, this programming will be saved in a the standard module, like module 1, module 2, these are also. Then a class module, I will explain this class module later. Just see this object module. Object module is nothing but just mm, click on this and then insert. Otherwise, just hold on. Wait a minute. Yes, module. Not like that. Okay, just delete this, remove this. I don't want. This way we can remove the module. If you don't want, right click and then do you want to export module 5 before removing it? No, I don't want. So okay. So go to the VBA, then double click on workbook. Then okay, here the workbook. This option, workbook. This workbook. Okay, fine. Right click after that insert and then. No, no, I'm not going to just click on the module. Fine. After that, still not coming. Or double click on this. Okay, double click on this. Simply double click. So it will create a module like this. So just select workbook here. General model already. These are called the general models. The model 1, model 2. These are. But we are discussing these things. Object model. Yeah. So object model. Just select workbook here. and then anything, whatever, seat change, uh, activity, and then seat change. Okay, here, this way. So we have already written a program like this. Here, message box, you have to, you have change in a seat. So when we write here, let's suppose, let me make this. If you want to comment any program, so just uh, single dash, it will comment. So it looks like a green color. So whenever we comment this, it will not participate in a program. Whenever you want to yeah, comment something or write a note, let's suppose I want to write a note. I want to write a note like this. Uh, this is a program for whatever the name of this, object model, object object module. This is a program for object module, and we want to not participate, otherwise it will show some error, because this is not a program, it's a simple. So just simply comment it. And how we can comment it? A single dash, uh, like this. Okay, so yeah, it will show in a green color. It will not participate. Just we can read it, but it's not participate in a program. So oh yeah, so just copy this, and here I'm going to put, okay, not like that. Otherwise, just let me run this program itself. Okay. So whenever I run this program like this, save it like this. Okay. See, let me show you. If I change anything, see, you have changed a seat. Yeah. So due to this message, whenever we do any activity in a seats, any of the seats, uh, any changes, this message will appear. You have changed in a seat. Because of this program, this objects module program, this message will appear whenever we do any changes in a seat. So how we can see this? If, let's suppose I move to the second seat, and now I'm trying to change something like this. Enter. Here you have changed in a seat. Okay. So if I make this comment, it will not show. Let me make this comment. Visual Basic, comment this single. Yeah, so it will not participate in the program, and we didn't face any message like that. So just save it and close this. Now do any changes, no message, nothing, no message. So that is called the commenting of a program in a VBA. Okay, fine. So anything left? So user form. Okay, so user form is also important. Just a small part I'm showing here, and we will discuss user form in detail later. Just for your exam knowledge, I'm going to share this. So user form module. Go to the Microsoft Excel here simply. Let me open the Visual Basic Studio, and then here this way, insert, and then click on the user form like this. So user form will be appear. Okay, and after once this appear, we can put so many things like let's suppose a text. I'm putting a text. So under text, I want to write a name. This is basically used for data entry. All right. Yeah, yeah. I'm explaining all the things. Let me just text box, a text box. Whatever the things we write under this text box, it will accept it. All right. After that, I'm going to create a switch, a button here like this, and I'm going to give one name like okay, okay. like shape data. Fine. Now whatever the program we write behind this code, it will run. So let me view code. Just right click and view code this way. Now see sub and in sub. This is the head and a tail of our program. So we have to start the program. Yeah, private it will write like this. If you not write it will also fine, but we have to write like this, private. Okay, if you don't write, no problem. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to write this code like this. uh, so username equal to text box 1. So this is a text box where it is here. Okay, so we have a text box, right? Here text box, this is a text box, and this is just write an what why we create this text box. This is created for name. Whatever the name we put under this text box, it will accept it, and when we save, the data will be saved. So this is a text box, and under this save code, we are going to write a program. So view code. So just I'm copying this program. So username, I'm giving a link for this one. Just try. Let me explain the things. So username equal to text box dot text. It means I am giving a name to the text box. This is a text box right now. Okay. This is a text box, and I am going to make a connectivity by giving a name, that is username. So this username equal to text box one dot text. This way we can connect this text box to the username. After that, seat one dot range a1. Range a1 means the cell one. Um, seat one. This is a seat one, and seat one is and cell one. This is cell one, cell two, cell three, like this. So and when I select like this, so this is called the range. Range. If I select like this is called the range. So let me show you. Okay, good. Okay, so this is our program. So username equal to text box dot text. So we give a name to the text box, that is username. After that, seat one. This is the address of a cell where we want to print something. We want to print in a seat one, and where range, that is a1, the cell one, dot value. Whatever the value we put under this text box, it will accept it. Fine. And equal to username. So what is the username? Username is text box. Here we define text box as a username here. So this, whatever the value under this text box, it will go into the cell one, range one, a1. Whatever things we put into the text one, so this become equal to username, and username is become equal to the range a1. Whatever things we put under the text box, it will go into the range a1, that is range a1 is this place, this place. Okay, and after that, when we click on the save button, it will save. So just let me save this program, and after that, view object, fine, and then run. See, this user interface created by us. Name, whatever name, let's suppose your name, no, RT, no, sure. Now I want to save this data. See this, save here. If I want to change this, save this, like this. So we can put so many this text box, the checkbox, so many things are there. Let me show you. Go to the view, then tool. Is there any tool option? Yes, toolbar. this is called the toolbar. Okay, so all the tools are here. So text box, then message box, this kind of things here. So we can arrange our this user form, and we can create a very nice user form like this, and multi-page, anything like checkbox. Put a checkbox this way, and just save this program like this, and then I don't want this. Close it, and simply run this program. See, our user press here checkbox. We have created a checkbox, then option button. Give something, anything like ABC. Save it like this. So it will work like this. So we didn't we just make a connectivity between these two, the text box and a save button, but we didn't give any connectivity for this right now. Just I'm showing what is the use of user form. So that's I want to explain in a module 2. I think you learn so many things, and you get so many knowledge about the VBA. So this is a module 2. Okay, so I think this is sufficient for today. Recording, you want recording, no? I'm going to share the recording of class for yesterday class as well as today's class. Yeah. All the things you can, even my voice, all the things. One more thing. I am not a, professional YouTuber. I'm a trainer. So yeah, so I have not a proper mic and all the things. So just use headphone. So you, yeah. So use a headphone or a earphone if you are not able to. Okay, okay. Whenever you are observing the videos, just use headphone or earphone or better voice. Otherwise, if you are comfortable without headphone or earphone, it's fine. But it's my suggestion. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Fine. So let's finish the class, and after few minutes, I will share both the note link as well as the link for the both the videos for yesterday's videos and today's videos. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your. Yeah. I am planning to take a class 2 days in a week. That is fine. Yeah, Sunday is okay. No problem. Yeah. 2 p.m. Saturday is fine. Yes, perfect. Oh, welcome. No problem. Welcome. Fine. Thank you. Good night.